And now I'm going to talk about configuration and upgrade of our processor and some remote control stuff. First we need to do is to get the IP address of the processor. There are two ways for us to get the IP. The first one is we can click File. There is a download project. Here we can search for the IP. And the second one is we can search the IP and properties here. And then we need to get into the web page of this processor. We can click this icon to get into the web page, or we can get into it through the IP address and /home. Like we copy this IP address and then we enter the IP address /home. Then we come to the login page of the website. The default password is admin in lower cases. And then we get into the website. The system status here is to show the information of the devices, those connected to the processor. And IP settings. Here we can open or close the DHCP mode. And we can set the IP address, the net mask, gateway, and DNS. Language and date. Here we can set the system language to Chinese or English, and we can set the time here. Reset password. Here is to reset the password of this website. For example, the current password is the default password admin, and we set the new password to password in lower cases. Then if we use admin to log in the website, it won't let you log in and you will set incorrect password. Then we need to log in with the new password. Then we log in the website. Advanced, here we have a button to check for updates. And here it said we are running in the latest version. And for local update, here you need to download the firmware first. You can download the firmware in this website, and back to here we need to select the firmware we downloaded and then click update here. The reboot button is to restart the processor, and the factory reset is to set all the settings to the factory reset, including the password of this website, the IP mode, and it will delete the project that you uploaded to the processor. And these two buttons are to download system and project logs. If there is any mistakes or there's anything wrong, we can download these logs to take a look. Remote control. Here we can change the allies of the device of the processor. Remote access. Here is to bind the remote account that we registered here. And remote debug. If you want to remote debug, you need to bind the remote account first, and then you need to bind the debug account. And then here is a system authorization. Here we can choose to open or close the authorization mode. If we open it, we can set the days that this processor valid. For example, we set this processor valid for 10 days. Then after 10 days, this processor will be invalid and it can't be used. And if we close this mode, we can use this processor for a long time.